The finance bill was cleared by Parliament.
Yeah.
It has been signed by the President, and now we're not calling it the finance bill anymore. It's called the Finance Act of 2023. If you have a pay slip, then we need to pay 1.5% housing levy. And if you are an employer, you also have to pay that for every employee that you have. For persons who earn a monthly income between 500 and 800,000 per month, your personal taxes are going to move higher, because you have to pay 32.5% on your top band of income. And for those who earn over 800,000, for their top band, they will have to pay 35%. Now we know NSSF is not being left behind. It's going to go up to 6% of the pay. Yeah, I know there are caps, so we don't have to be very worried. There are caps. The caps means what's the maximum you can pay in there. NHIF is not being left behind. The contributions are going up to 2.75% of gross pay per month.
Yeah.
And you can actually see all this. And this we've not even put in consideration the fact that now there's a 16% VAT on fuel.
Yeah.
And that evidently is going to cause the cost of living to go up, because what businesses will do, because it's businesses who suffer a lot of this, they push it to the consumer. If fuel goes up, the guy who runs the matatu will actually increase the fare. If fuel goes up, the person doing manufacturing will increase the cost of the produce. And with the current economic status, we need to understand what smart living is. We need to be practical in managing our money. This is now the season when we have to say, pick the wants or the needs. Do you want to address the necessities, or do we want to get into liabilities? So adjustment is a new reality, because while the income has not increased, the burden of life is real, and that is why we need to engage. And we want to see, how do we equip ourselves? And maybe because the taxes have gone up, this is a time for us to say, is there a legal way of minimizing my taxation? It's not tax evasion, tax avoidance. Things are tight. It is time for us to be able to make sure that tight as they are, we're going to work around. Sometimes what you need to do is get time and equip yourself. And that's all we do at the Masterclass. We equip people. If you want to come in for a session, 0708-150-137. There's a book called What It Was. We have dedicated 2 chapters to this discussion that we are having today. Text or call 0708-150-137.